I am going to teach you Science chapter 10, Keeping Safe. In this chapter, you will learn about safety at home, safety at school, safety on the road, safety while playing, safety while swimming, and safety while traveling. Safety means staying away from harm. We must keep ourselves safe. We must follow the safety rules. Following safety rules is for our own safety and for the safety of others. Safety at home. Don't play with sharp object. You may get a cut. Don't play with fire. You can get burned. Enjoy fireworks only under close adult supervision. Don't play with the electrical gadget. You can get a shock like open wire. You don't touch. Don't run on the stair. You may have a bad fall. Don't don't leave your toy on the floor. You can trip over them and fall. Safety at school. Don't rush to your class after the assembly. Always walk in a line. Never push each other. Don't play in the classroom. Don't run in the corridor or on the stair. Safety on the road. Walk on footpath. If you need to cross the road, you use the zebra crossing. Before crossing the road, wait for the traffic to stop. Don't run, the don't run. Follow the traffic light signal. Red light indicate to stop. Yellow light indicate to ready. And green light when blow is indicate to go. Safety while playing. Always play in a safe place like a park or playground. Wait for your turn, never play on the road. Safety while swimming. Never go alone for swimming when learning swim. Always use a swimming tube. Don't go into deep water. Safety while traveling by bus. Wait for the bus in a line. Don't get into or get out of a moving बस. चलती हुई बस में से ना आपको उसमें चढ़ना है ना आप उसमें से आपको उतरना है. Don't lean out of the moving bus. Don't disturb the driver. और कभी भी जब बस चल रही है तो आपको उसमें से अपना सिर हेड और हैंड बाहर नहीं निकालना चाहिए और ड्राइवर को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहिए जब वो बस चला रहा है. इफ़ यू गेट हर्ट, अगर आपको कभी चोट लग जाती है तो आप क्या करते हैं? नेवर हाइड योर इंजरी. कभी भी अपनी चोट को छुपाना नहीं चाहिए बड़ों से. इफ़ यू गेट हर्ट एट होम, टेल इट योर पेरेंट्स. अगर आप घर पे कोई चोट लगी तो अपने पेरेंट्स को बताइए. इफ़ यू गेट हर्ट एट स्कूल, टेल इट योर टीचर. अगर आपको स्कूल में कभी कोई चोट लग जाती है तो आपको अपने टीचर्स को बताना चाहिए. दे विल टेक यू टू अ डॉक्टर इफ़ नीडेड. वो आपको डॉक्टर के पास ले जाएंगे अगर आपको कोई सीरियस इंजरी है या आपको उसकी ज़रूरत है. Always follow the parents' rule. Stay away from dangerous item in the house. Have emergency number to learn everyone. Some other safety rule you should follow. Don't sharp your pencil with a blade or knife. Use a sharpener. Don't play with matches and lighter. If you find them on a floor, tell an adult. अगर आपको कभी फ्लोर में मैच स्टिक या लाइटर दिखता है तो आपको बड़ों को बताना चाहिए, कभी भी उसको यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. Don't go close to burning fire cracker. If there is a fire at home or in the neighbor, call 101 or 112. If someone is hurt seriously, call 102 for ambulance. Keep away from open wire and electrical fittings. Children, read this chapter again and follow safety rule at home or school or on the road. Thank you and have a nice day.